Hi folks! Balmuri and Edmuri are two man-made waterfalls built on Kaveri river situated in Srirangapatna taluk, Mandya district of Karnataka. These falls are at a distance of around 5 kilometers from Brindavan Gardens, 13 kilometers from historic Srirangapatna, 15 kilometers from Mysore and 138 kilometers away from Bangalore. These falls are on the way to KRS Dam. The route leading to the falls is through the paddy fields on both sides. Balmuri Falls is famous amongst the two and is featured in many Sandalwood movies. This waterfall is formed due to the construction of the check dam on the river Kaveri. At a particular spot in the Balmuri, there is a step of about 6 feet from which creates the effect of a mini waterfall. Few sugarcane local shops are available next to the falls. The name Balmuri means to turn right. The river bends to the right at this spot in Srirangapatna. Balmuri Falls offers a beautiful view of the river which passes through trees and greenery. It was full to the brim when I visited here. When summer approaches, you can walk across the river and can take a dip in the water. But need to be little careful while walking across the river as there might be cracks, pits or slippery edges. The length of the dam is approximately 1.6 km. Carry a cap if you don't have planned to take a dip in the water because it would be pretty hot in the noon. The facilities and cleanliness can be improved here for the tourists. Few fish stalls and parking space are available near to the falls. There is a temple near to the falls named as Balmuri Ganapati Temple. There are more number of temples inside this complex. Kaveri river flows behind this temple. Balmuri and Edmuri Waterfalls are located nearby. Edmuri Falls is usually less crowded than Balmuri, and it is surrounded by lush greenery. The beauty of the falls is enhanced by the surrounding paddy fields. This fall is located around 1 kilometer to the east of Balmuri Waterfall. A small eatery and changing room are available on the opposite side of the falls. As the river turns to the left at this place, it is called as Edmuri. There are many other tourist attractions that can be visited near Balmuri and Edmuri Falls, including Ranganathu Bird Sanctuary, Brindavan Gardens, historic Srirangapatna, etc. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your feedback and suggestions are really valuable. Please do it in the comment section.